Hello. This video will walk you through the annual Do Not Pay recertification process. Let's begin. The purpose of the annual end-user recertification is to determine whether a user's access to the Do Not Pay portal is still required. This effort also serves as an opportunity to review whether the current authorized level of access for an individual is appropriate and to identify whether any changes to that level of access needs to occur. Recertification requires the coordination of three primary groups of Do Not Pay access group administrators. 1. Authorizing officials. 2. Primary local security administrators. And 3. Local security administrators who may be asked to recertify Do Not Pay users for their specific access groups. These three groups of access group administrators will be asked to take action on verifying whether or not their agency's list of current users is up to date and to note whether any changes are needed for their respective access to the Do Not Pay portal. Let's review the schedule of key events related to this year's recertification efforts. Before the start of the recertification period, announcement emails are sent to all AOs, PLSAs, and LSAs, informing them of the relevant dates and roles in the recertification process. Once recertification begins, an email will be sent to AOs, PLSAs, and LSAs providing instructions about the recertification process. The third email you will receive is a link and password email for accessing ART. If there is no action taken during the recertification process, users will receive an email to follow up with their AO, PLSA, or LSA. If action is required to recertify more users, all AOs, PLSAs, and LSAs will receive a phone call for follow-up. Users who have been revoked or had no action taken will have their access revoked. Let's review how to use the Application Recertification Tool, or ART, to recertify users. Recertifying officials will receive an email from TSC No Reply on the day recertification opens. This email will contain a username and a personalized link to follow in order to set your own password. When you click the link in the email, it will direct you to the Change Your Password screen. Type in a password and click Change Password. You will be automatically logged in and directed to the homepage of ART. You can reset your password using the drop-down arrow in the upper right-hand corner next to your name. On the Certify User page, you will see your list of users. Do Not Pay will be automatically selected as your application. Click the Instructions tab for helpful information on recertifying or revoking users. You can narrow the search results by using the Search and Filter fields. You can search for users by their status using the Status drop-down menu and filtering by no action taken, recertify, or revoke. You can also search for specific users by using first name, last name, or email. Once you have entered your desired search filters, click Search. You can change the number of users displayed per page to show 100, 300, or 500 users. You can also export a list of the users in an Excel format for your record purposes. Be sure to scroll all the way down and see if you have multiple pages of users to recertify. Action can be taken by selecting the Status drop-down menu. The default selection shows No Action Taken. You can choose to either recertify or revoke each user. It is recommended that you click the Save button before moving to a new page. Please note that ART will time out after 10 minutes of inactivity. You must recertify or revoke each individual user. If a user has multiple roles, you can recertify or revoke all their roles using the Take Action on All Roles drop-down menu. When you have completely finished recertifying or revoking all users, please click Save and log out of ART using the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. You can log into ART at any time during the recertification window to resume taking action on the remaining users by using this link. Please note that your username will be your email address plus .art at the end. Thanks for watching. For questions, contact us at donotpay@fiscal.treasury.gov.